Welcome back. 45th International Film Festival of India is all set to commence from 20th November to 30th November. Coordination Committee meeting was held to take a report of preparedness for IFFI. Chairman of committee informed that preparations for IFFI will be complete by 18th November. Superstar Amitabh Bachchan will be the chief guest at the opening ceremony.
And this meeting was intended and aimed to review the progress made. We have been told that all arrangements will be ready by 18th, so that we can have inaugural function successfully organized on the 20th of November. On 20th, inaugural function will take place at Shyama Prakash Mukherjee Stadium.
Officially declaration जाल्लें आसा तांकां खबर आसा तुमकां सगळ्यांक. अमिताभ बच्चन हे परत तुमी त्याच प्रश्न विचारताले. त्या प्रश्नाचे उत्तर फाटले 10 दीस आशिल्ले ते ऑफिशियली डिक्लेअर जाल्ले आसा. इन्फॉर्मेशन ब्रॉडकास्टिंग मिनिस्टर, चीफ मिनिस्टर हे उक्तावणाक आसतले. त्याच बरोबर परत स्टॉक घेवपाक स्टरिंग कमिटी फाल्यां परवा येतली. ताजे नंतर डायरेक्टर ऑफ फिल्म फेस्टिवल आसा ते गोंयान आयिल्ले आसा. सगळ्यांचे मेळून एक परत जॉईंट मिटींग विथ ऑल द ऑफिसर कन्सर्न जी आसा ती परत जातली.
Efficiency and stability, the two crucial criteria on which two more new ministers will find place in the state cabinet. 2 cabinet berths are vacant in CM Parsekar's newly formed cabinet. 3 MLAs are in race: GVP Supremo Mickey Pacheco, Independent MLA Avirtano Furtado, and BJP MLA Pramod Sawant. Cabinet was reshuffled after Parsekar took over as the chief minister, showing exit to Independent MLA Avirtano. Portfolio allocation and cabinet expansion is expected this week.
2 cabinet berths are vacant in Parsegar-led government. Currently, 3 contenders: GVP Supremo Mickey Pacheco, Independent MLA of Navili Avirtano Furtado, and BJP MLA of Sakli Pramod Sawant. Sources say Pramod Sawant would get the cabinet berth as there is no other contender in North Goa. However, in South Goa, there are 2 contenders, Avirtano Furtado and Mickey Pacheco. Mickey has a brighter chance following BJP's Mission Salset and Mopa Airport. When contacted Mickey Pacheco, he refused to comment on the BJP's move but said he supports the government and it is the prerogative of the government to decide. Currently, Mickey's political opponents are targeting him for backing government despite state plans for Mopa Airport.
सर तुमका आवाज येता की मिनिस्ट्री मेळपाक शक्यता आसा ताजे तुमची
I don't want to make a statement on that by ministry, but okay. This is a decision from ruling party, which is BJP, and if they know that I've been supporting this party, then they have duty bound to be with me, or I should be with them.
Meanwhile, Avirtano Furtado, who was the fisheries minister in Parrikar-led government, was not spotted during the swearing-in of the cabinet of CM Parsekar, but he claims that he will be back in the cabinet.
And they have promised me in the ministry. The next swearing-in is on Friday. So, in that, I'm sure I will get a berth.
Meanwhile, news is making rounds that Pramod Sawant is a strong contender in North Goa for filling other vacant slot in the cabinet. Chief Minister Parsekar has declared his criteria for filling up the berths as the final decision will be taken in the presence of former Chief Minister Manohar Parrikar by Thursday.
आज 2 cabinet berths तुमचे मुखार vacant आसात. How are you looking at utilizing those 2 cabinet berths?
We'll make the best use of those. The efficiency आणि स्टॅबिलिटी हे दोनूय ॲड करणारे दृष्टिकोनातून हे 2 इंडक्शन्स आहेत.
The cabinet portfolios too will be decided within this week. Parsekar says he would consult former Chief Minister Manohar Parrikar before a decision. Bureau Report, Prudent.
High Court has allowed undergoing renovation and construction work for public utilities at Old Goa for the forthcoming exposition. High Court gave green signal to complete the works following an assurance by the state government that all the structures are temporary and would be removed after the exposition.
Legal hurdles in the way of construction of public utilities at Old Goa have been cleared. The High Court on Wednesday allowed state government to continue construction of temporary public utilities. During the hearing, petitioner contended that construction is going on in prohibited area as this area is declared as ancient monument and protected structure under Archaeological Survey of India. The petition also contended that construction seems to be permanent in nature. State government stated to High Court that about 10 lakhs visitors are expected for the exposition plan at the year end. Hence, such public facilities are required. State also assured High Court that all these constructions are temporary and will be removed after the exposition. Bureau Report, Prudent.
Anti-corruption branch raided house of Calvert Gonsalves in Colwa. He is the Punch of Colwa. Anti-corruption officials raided his house on a complaint of disproportionate assets. The raid continued till late in the evening on Wednesday. Let's take a short break. Stay tuned.